eVisa, you can say EPO website. Some conditions are given on the main page that you can get this particular eVisa to enter on non-refundable and can be processed in 3 business days. Ordinary passport development, so you can read that. And in fact, apart from this, the government would FAQ because all information about payment and everything, procedure, any modification you want to do, everything is here. Once you are ready, go for apply. Select your country of passport. I'm doing sample due to test case. Put your email, verify code, and go for this. I'm going to do this and then so guys, what happens is that after you put the code, okay, what happens after you put that code and email, the system does send a verification code to your email that you have to enter in order to verify. Okay, now the next page is the person in photo passport and enter the information. Okay, some sample, but you do it as per your own risk. And then if you don't have a surname, there's a change. Given name, it should match with your passport, no if and but. Country of birth, telephone number, occupation, personal residential address, state, province, of course, you know that also, nationality, whatever it is. Your passport details, passport number, it should match with the passport. Date of issue, expiry date. Country of passport. So you need to have following documents upon arrival. Proof of sufficient fund, travel itinerary, hotel booking, return on board. You can only enter through this. Okay. Intended date of entry. You are entering on 31st. Flight number, let's say travel tickets, travel address. If you have booked hotel, you have to select. You have to return and go to continue. Do you know why it is not good? Because I have not uploaded a photo and passport. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see this thing. What's the minimum 2 times you must. Once you're sure, go for continue. Now it's gonna show the fee. Okay, so this is the fee. If you are applying as a family or you have more people traveling as a group, click on add more people and you reach to this page. And once you are all good, go to continue, then pay the fee. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.